This video we are going to see how can we install Tailwind in our device. Okay, first of all, just create a Tailwind folder which is empty and just drag and drop to your VS Code just like this. Okay, you can see this will open. Okay, what you have to do is now open any web browser and go to tailwindcss.com and click on docs. Okay, click on get started, and then installation page you have to go to the Tailwind CLI. Okay okay you can see over here are some steps you have to follow to run the Tailwind in our device. Okay, what we have to do is, first of all, just open the terminal. Okay, what you have to do is, just first of all, you have to do is npm init -y. Okay, just the first step is npm init -y and just press enter. Okay, you will get package.json file like this. Okay, after this step, just copy this code and just paste to the terminal like this. Okay, you can see over here. Okay, after this step, what you have to do is, you can see over here, import Tailwind in your CSS. First of all, for that, you have to just create the folder src. Okay, this is for the folder, this is for the file. Okay, create new folder name src. In the src section, we have to create one folder. Okay, we have to create one file name input.css in the src folder. Okay, just click this src folder and just click on this file icon and just type input.css and just press enter. And now what we have to do is just copy this whole code and paste over here. Okay, and just save. After this step, what you have to do is just copy this whole code. Okay, copy this whole code and just paste over here. Okay, like this. Okay, if you want to change the css file name, you can change by just renaming to the output.css to, okay, styles.css. For example, I'm doing style.css. You can do like this as well. Okay, and just press enter. In the src section, you can see style.css folder has been created successfully. Okay, let's see what after this step. After this step, you have to create index.html file in the src folder. Okay, just create the index.html file in the src folder just like this. What you have to do is now just this copy and just paste the whole code over there. Okay, like this. And what you have to do is just you have to make some corrections over here. As we have changed the css name to styles.css, what you have to do is just rename to styles.css. Okay, what you have to do is just make correction in the src folder. Okay, leave it. Okay, style.css like this. Okay, let's see the output by pressing the open with live server. Okay, you can see over here hello world is open. Let's do some little bit code. Okay, I'm just making the text color to red 600. Okay, let's see the output. Okay, you can see over here the text has been changed to red color. Okay, let's add some text. Okay, let's increase the text size to 4 pixel. And okay, font type bold and text in the center. Okay, let's open Google Chrome and you can see, okay, text has been bold and it is in the center. Okay, I'm just changing the h1 to subscribe me. Okay, subscribe me. Okay, and like this. Okay, let's open Google Chrome. Okay, you can see over here it has been working. Okay, let's add some background. Okay, let's do BZ. Okay, I wanted in the dark blue. Okay, BZ blue. Okay, blue. Okay, background in blue color. Okay, 900 will be okay, I think. Okay, let's open Google Chrome and just refresh it. Okay, guys, to run the Tailwind, you have to always paste this code over here. Okay, like this. Okay, our file name is styles.css, so I'm changing the file name to style.css. You can see you have to always tap this command to run the Tailwind. Okay, you can see over here our Tailwind has been working. You can see guys. Okay, you can run the Tailwind with another code as well. The code is, what you have to do is, okay, just go to this script section, just write comma, enter, and just write deb. In the depth section, just write this command. Okay, in this section, what you have to do is, in the depth section, what you have to do, just copy that code, start the Tailwind build process code over here, and just paste it. No comma over here. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, like this, and our file name have to be changed to styles.css. Okay, just save this code. Okay, what you can do is, okay, just type npm run dev to start the Tailwind this time. You can see over here the Tailwind has been started by this code as well. Okay, you can see over here. In this way, you can start the Tailwind with shortcut method as well. By going to the package.json file, just writing comma and creating the div, and in the div you have to insert this value. Okay, you will get this value in your comment section as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more useful videos.